Murimu wa Sickle Cell umanaga na gucenjia kwa mauthi ma thakame maria makoragwo mari githiururi na gucoka gwikuja undu uria ucungagiriria guthingana kwa mikia minini ya thakame na kurehe mathina ta ma kuimba moko na maguru, kuigua ruo mwiri-ini hamwe na kunogerera. Guku bururi-ini ciana Makiria ma 6,000 ni ciciaragwo na murimu uyu uria utambagio kuma kuri muciari nginya kwi mwana kana ugakorwo ri wa kifamily. Kurerikana guku bururi-ini aciari aria mari na ciana iria cigumirwo ni murimu uyu ni macihithaga na amwe mageciriria ni kugwatwo ni kirumi. 3, 2, 1. Niguo guthomithia muingi iguru rigie murimu uyu, Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri umuthi ni iruguritie mubango wa kurigita arwaru a murimu uyu kuria ihotorete gutigirira mathibitari matiganite mena uhoti wa gutangikira arwaru aya hari kumahe motungata magaciru guku bururi-ini.
So under this we prioritize the issue of quality assurance and standards, and we say that we have to come up with guidelines to help the healthcare workers. So again, in order to actualize the strategic plan, we have these guidelines have to be there so that we guide the healthcare workers as they are providing care for persons living with sickle cell.
Makiria hindi ya kuruguria mubango uyu guku Nairobi, anyitite miru honge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri ni mahinyiriirie bata wa guthomithia muingi iguru rigie murimu uyu kuria mambikite mitaratara iria irirumagirirwo na kinyi hari kurigita ari hamwe na kwamba kuthurima wika therapy hamwe na njira ingi nyingi cia gutigirira ugima wa mwiri wa murwaru ni wagacirithio na gikiro kia iguru.
That we want to treat people properly. You want to have the means and the tool of treating people properly. That is half the story. The next one is treat them consistently properly. Then the final one, treat them consistently properly everywhere.
To the multidisciplinary and complex nature of the sickle cell disease, the guidelines will ensure uniformity and standardization of access and care across the region, so that a healthcare provider in Kisumu is doing the same thing as a healthcare provider in Mombasa when it comes to management of sickle cell disease.
Itanya ria uruguri uyu ni gutigirira ministry no ni agacirithia motungata mega kuri muingi wothe wa bururi haria waruma guku mathibitari ma andu kiumbe na ma muingi makiurio manyitanire hari kurumirira mitaratara ya mubango uria uruguririo muthi. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wang'ũ.